Today we have a video from Street Law, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Refuses to Exit the Vehicle Ends Badly."
On November 15th, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle after discovering it had a suspended registration and a defective headlight.
Officer Keenan's eye, please. Stopping you because the registration is showing suspended on this car and your headlight's out. Did I stop you for that just recently, the headlight? You didn't fix it yet?
No, that costs money. It's not overnight.
Let me see your driver's.
Shouldn't have brought a BMW then. Everybody want to drive these fancy ass cars, BMWs, Mercedes, and this and that, but it's a process to get, when anything breaks, it's a process to get fixed. Or you can't afford it. You can't afford to get it fixed.
License insurance.
That shit got all types of yellow lights going on in there.
Do you have the updated insurance? This is expired. Alright, how do you spell your first name? Alright. Give me a few minutes. So you don't have the updated one, right? That's the only one you got?
Not at the moment. I don't got no
Okay. Alright, give me a minute. Alright. What's a good phone number for you?
I'm not speaking to you, bro.
Huh?
I'm not speaking to you.
Okay. I don't need a phone number, but if something happens, they won't be able to call you. Step out. Step out of the car.
For what?
We're towing your car.
No, bro, this is the third time you stopped me.
Step out of the car.
No,
Listen.
don't even touch me. Don't touch my
If you don't
car.
get out of the car, you're going to get arrested, okay?
Oh, my.
Don't do any of that. I try to let you know, okay?
Here's the court date.
Bro,
You don't have to stay here.
no,
but
you're harassing me, bro. This is the third time in a week that you stopped me.
Then you have to get
Bro,
insurance.
why didn't you do something about it last time, though?
It wasn't
Now you want to
suspended.
do something now.
It wasn't suspended.
But you're...
It is now. Here's
Really?
your citations. It's a court date on the bottom.
I should just piss me off. You're not taking my
Step
car.
out of the car or you're going to get arrested.
Arrested for what?
Obstructing.
Obstructing.
Yes, you have to
Because
get out
you're
of the car.
harassing me.
You have to get out of the
This
car.
is the third time you take my...
I'm not going to keep telling you
stopped
to
me,
get out
bro.
of the car. You got to step out, get your stuff, and you're going to
You don't want to get arrested.
Bro, how am I going to go home?
Call someone.
Dumbasses, bro.
You live in town, right?
Ooh, and I'm not...
Wait,
You think
did I see this? Wait, hold on. This looks familiar. When was it dropped? June 17th? Oh, okay. I don't remember the full thing, but see, a lot of but it sounds familiar though. This sounds familiar. Damn, man. Fuck. This might be on the channel already, or maybe I watched it in private. I don't know. But I feel like this sounds familiar, man. This sounds familiar, but see, the problem is that some of these channels, they recycle, like they get in the same body cams. Like, I don't know if they got the same body cam researchers or whatever that's putting in the FOIA request or what. Like, I don't know, but this sounds familiar, man. Ay, whatever.
Okay, is you
My
cool?
father can give you a ride.
I'm not trying to ride with y'all.
Well, I don't care what you're an adult.
I don't with y'all.
Get out of the car. Tell we're not going to play this game, all right? If you don't get out of the car, I'm going to arrest you for obstructing, and then you'll have something else to go to court for, okay? Don't make things worse. You have to drive with insurance. If you don't have insurance, they suspend your license plate, and then we have to tow the car, okay?
I'm just wondering why you didn't do this shit last
I
time.
already told you.
Because
all right?
it was, though. You liar.
It was not suspended, and I'm not going to keep doing this. Get out of the car now, or I'm pulling you out, okay? And then you're getting arrested.
Don't touch me.
Then get out of the car.
Don't touch me.
Get.
Don't touch me. Yeah, so trying to do some stupid shit. I couldn't even go drop off my order.
Listen, I get where you're coming
Bro,
from,
leave.
but
Just stop talking to me and
then
back
get
up.
out of the car.
Okay,
Let's
back
go.
up. Back up.
Get out.
Back up.
Come on.
I don't.
I know you're not stupid, so I don't know why we have to keep talking about the same thing,
Bro,
all right?
I'm not dumb for shit.
All right, then I shouldn't have to explain this over and over again to you. You know why we stopped you. You know why we have to tow your car. I know you're upset about it, but it is what it is. You're an adult. Fix your stuff. You have a court date. If you don't go to court, they'll issue a warrant, all right?
Fix your stuff. Shouldn't have bought a BMW if you can't afford it.
Here's the court date information. If you want, you can stay until the tow truck comes, and I'll give you the information. Otherwise, you can go to Rogers and pick it up. It's up to you. I know you're upset and you want to leave.
Yeah, you just pissed me the off because it's the third time. You just stopped me. You don't know how annoying that is?
Fix your car then. If you drive around with broken equipment...
give me a break. You stopped me
with broken equipment, then you will get stopped. It happens.
Give me a chance to fix the shit. You think I'm rich?
I didn't even write you for the headlight this time. You have to fix your insurance. You can't drive without insurance. Now get out. Let's go. You want to take your McDonald's or no?
Bro, it's not my order.
Okay.
Hello.
Are you taking it or are you leaving it? It's up to you. All right. The tow truck's here. Let's go. Let's go. I backed up. If you don't get out, you're getting arrested. I've already told you this multiple times. We're not going to play games with you. Okay? If you need a ride,
look how she's looking.
Your house. Otherwise,
step out, I can give you a ride, okay? You don't want to be arrested.
I went to her my birthday. I hate y'all, bro.
what are you doing?
Bro, I'm turning up my window. I'm turning up my window.
Get out of the car now.
I'm
I
turning
will
up my
lock it
window.
up. Get out. Let's go.
Don't touch it!
Good, good, good.
I told you to get out of the car. Stop.
You just hit me in my face.
Get out.
I'm not the dog.
You're getting arrested.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
All right. $22.59. We have to drive. Custody.
I don't understand why she's crying and all the hooting and hollering and stuff, because all she had to do was just get out the car. The officers even offered her to give her a ride. You know, they could give you a, you know, within reason, they'll give you a ride somewhere, you know, because they're towing your car and they don't just want you walking on the highway. You know what I mean? So they'll give you a ride within reason. But going through all of that for your mess up, you don't have your stuff in order and you driving around hot, but you mad at the officer for keep stopping you. Now, stopping you 3 times in a week, I mean, that's a little targeting to me. I ain't gonna lie. Like, come on, man. You know the same car. Like, come on, bruh. But on the flip side, he's not wrong, and your stuff is not up to date. So he could keep you bring it. You're drawing the attention to yourself, especially driving at night. If you got a bad headlight or something like that, take your chances driving during the day. But you driving at night, you definitely gonna stick out like a sore thumb.
I don't want him touching me. Get off me!
I'm gonna take you to my car, okay?
Get off me! You give me my face! Oh my God! Stop touching me my face, bro! Oh!
Do you have anything on you, Chinto? Chinto.
Oh my God, bro! Let me go! My shit's on the floor, bro! I need my bed! I hate you!
Well, listen next time.
Bro.
Don't start the car.
You hit me in my face!
Okay.
You hit me in my face!
It's all on camera.
I'm gonna get her stuff.
Oh my God, I'm ready.
She wouldn't get out of the car. And then once the tow truck was pulling up,
you guys want me to start working on a matron?
she put the keys in the ignition and started it up, so I pulled her out. And of course, she's being dramatic. So if anything, it's just obstructing, and then we'll get her out of here. But she hates me, though. Can you give this to 60? If he's still in here. Yeah, she wouldn't get out of the car, and then when the tow truck pulled up, she had already taken out the key, turned the car off. Then she put the key back in the ignition, started it up. I told her to get out again. She wouldn't, so I grabbed her by the arm, pulled her out.
Is she no valid?
No, she's fine. The car is suspended, or the registration is suspended. She's got no insurance.
Oh, I gotcha. So
And she's gotten pulled over a couple times recently, so she's just upset.
Okay.
So.
Hold on. It's not that she's just been pulled over a couple of times. She's been pulled over a couple of times by you. That's by you. You don't skip that part.
So just
obstructing. Yeah.
All right.
The woman was issued citations for suspended registration and no valid insurance, and was also charged with obstructing. Let me know your thoughts.
Yeah, that beginning part kind of, as I'm listening to it, I feel like I've seen it before, but I don't know the ending and all that stuff. Like I don't remember any of that stuff, whatever. But it just sounds familiar, like it really does. But anyways, I try to watch these, first time, so we running straight through. Sometimes it happens. We might have some ones that we already done did with. Listen, we got over 2,000 videos, man. There's gonna be some, but I just wish some of these channels didn't repost the same, like, some of that stuff kind of gets in, whatever, but it is what it is. But yeah, I don't really got nothing to say about this case, man. Just get your shit together. That's it.